Welcome to TUI Grow Guides. Today, we'll be focusing on feeding your plants. Just like you and I, plants need to be fed to stay happy and healthy. They need nutrients from the soil as they grow. The best time to feed your plants is when they are actively growing, so mainly during spring, summer and autumn, and less over winter. When it comes to which fertilizer you should use, it's dependent on the plant you're feeding. Each plant requires 3 main nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. If you've got a range of things growing, an all-purpose fertilizer is a good option. TUI sheet pellets, general fertilizer and Novatech can be used on all plant types. Or choose a fertilizer with the perfect blend of nutrients for the plant you're growing. The food range of fertilizers are perfect for fruit and vegetable crops, lasting for 4 weeks before having to be refed. If you want something that feeds for longer, choose from the Enrich range. They're great for edibles in both pots, containers and garden beds, and feed for around 6 months. A liquid option you can add to your watering can is really convenient. Seaweed and Fish offers powerful results for your edibles. Just reapply every 2 weeks. Mix with water as per directions and apply. Once you've fed your plants, check on them regularly to see if they need any attention. Keep up the routine so your plants live long, healthy lives. That's feeding done. Discover more plant feeding tips at tuiproducts.co.nz and keep an eye out for our next Grow Guide.